Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started. All times are Eastern Time. Monday, we start in the trade room 9:15 p.m. for the Australia Wage Price Index, a family money trade. At 10 p.m., there's a Chinese report. There is no trade room. Chinese retail sales, industrial production, and their unemployment rate. It's an inconsistent movement on that report. That's why there's no trade room. Tuesday, 2 a.m., the British jobs report. It does have a DMM trade setup, but no trade room at 2 a.m. We'll be starting at 5:45 a.m. in the trade room for Home Depot on Tuesday. Back at 8 a.m. for core retail sales and Canada CPI. 12 p.m. the NOPA Crush event takes place. That's a family money trade, and I will be sending out a trade setup, especially for our trade room members. 4 p.m. we have the API crude oil report in the room, and then 10 p.m. no trade room for the New Zealand bank rate decision. Again, that's at 10 p.m. Wednesday, 2 a.m. the British CPI report has a DMM trade setup. No trade room as it's 2 a.m. in the morning. Target 6:15 earnings on Wednesday will be in the trade room, and then 8 a.m. for building permits and housing starts, back at 9 for capacity utilization industrial production, back at 10 for crude oil inventories, 1:30 p.m. for the FOMC meeting minutes, which is our free stream of the week on YouTube, and then 3:45 we'll be watching Cisco earnings in the trade room, and the Australian employment report at 9:15 p.m. in the trade room on Wednesday. A very busy day. Thursday, we start at 6:50 for Walmart earnings, back at 8 a.m. for unemployment claims and Philly Fed, and then 10 a.m. for the natural gas storage report. Friday, no trade rooms. It's a very quiet summer Friday, but I will be watching John Deere's earnings at 6:45 in the morning to see if they move the market. That, my friends, is our weekly Market Movers video preview, our trade room schedule, and a look at the important events that we feel can move the markets in the upcoming week. So make your way into our trade room and learn all about appointment-based trading so you could trade the way that we do. We've had a great summer trading, and we want you to be a part of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the trade room. Leigh Goldstein signing out.